I'm on the Victoria Embankment by the River Trent in Nottingham today. I used to come here quite a lot a few years ago. There used to be the Riverside Festival down here, and then sort of COVID came along, that disappeared, and then there was an attempt to bring it back a couple of years ago in 2004, but to be honest, it was just like a street fair, a complete flop. I'm on the River Trent today, well, by the River Trent, on the Victoria Embankment in Nottingham, just by the Wilford Suspension Bridge. And there's something different happening down here this coming weekend in Nottingham. It's the first Nottingham Food Festival. Website and social media details are in the description below. But tell you what, let's take the drone up and have a look at the site from my eye in the sky. Looks like somebody's hungry, but they won't get any food from me tonight. I've got nothing on me. Sorry. There's live music both days throughout the day, accumulating on the Saturday evening, an ABBA tribute band, Planet ABBA, and there is a Fleetwood Mac tribute on the Sunday. Fleetwood Shack, I think they're called. So I'm looking forward to that one. Hope you enjoyed that. Oh, I'm dizzy now. I'm suffering from vertigo.